beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I am Christy and welcome. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing y'all the easiest way to do a high puff. And you only need like a few items, like basic items. So the first thing you need is a shoelace or a stocking. I'm gonna cut it, the stocking. Just make sure it's something to this length that you can put around your head, right? And you're gonna need your brush and whatever you use, your edge control, your gel, whatever. So today I'm gonna be using Marie's bee wax today. Oh, hold on. Yeah, so today I'm gonna be using Marie's bee wax only because my almost has an edge control and it's nighttime and I have nowhere to go. So it just makes sense to use this because it's like I do the job same way. So I'm gonna use this and this to do my edges. They got to be good. Right? Now you're gonna need a brush, your edge control. So my edge control, my brush, and my comb. I also use this brush, you don't really need it, but I use that also. And whatever you ever use for tie down your edges. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off my bangs. I washed my hair last night, so you're shrinking kind of bagga things. Oh my god. Okay. Also guys, you're gonna need a moisturizer. As I told you in my first tutorial, you don't want a dry bun or whatever you're doing. So I'm using the Cream of Nature coconut milk. It smells real good. Anything you have as a moisturizer you can use. So there we go. Just run that through here. It's still dry, but not so no line. Okay guys, now you use the brush or your comb to comb out your hair. If your hair needs to comb out, like if your hair already comb out, I guess I don't really need to do this, but I think I washed my hair yesterday and shrinkage is real and the dryness is real because I never really moisturize it to some extent. So that's all that. So my hair finished come out. To make things easier for you, you could get a scrunchie, touch over here, and like put your products in. That's what I'm gonna do because it kind of makes sense. I'm can't butter. So put a bit here, like. So I'm gonna use the bee wax, as I said. That's what I'm using because I don't even need a lot of products when I do my high puff or whatever. When I do puffs, I don't really use a lot of products. Now you're just gonna brush your teeth on it. So you're just gonna brush it to your liking so there's no flyaways, whatever. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the string around. So what I do, I put the connected part at the front, and then I put it around my head, and then I tie it at the back. Because what I normally do is to pull from the back upwards than to pull the front. So you're going to tie the back and pull it upwards. While pulling the back, you pull the front, okay, and the sides. And then from here, as you can see, it's literally going up by itself. Once you pull it to some extent, it's going to go up by itself. And then you just, okay, I'm going to do it like that. You just wrap it around. And you're going to tie the lace or the string, whatever you're using, so it's not visible. So you tuck it underneath the other string, like deal. Alright, so now you can do your edges before you take out the scrunchie, or you could. So I'm gonna do my edges and come back because I can't really see it on the phone screen. So I'm gonna just do my edges and come back. Okay, so you're gonna tie down your ear. Okay, guys, so you're gonna tie down your ear and just wait for a couple minutes, and then yeah, take it out. So I'm gonna come back after I'm finished. So yeah, that's that. I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna take off this one. Ooh. Okay, guys, so this is the final look. Right. Like, let's be for real. It's giving. I got hair. I do have hair, by the way. But, but, it just gives you a little extra, you know? Sometimes, you know, when you catch up your ear, like with the scrunchie, it don't give you the length that your hair actually has. So it's better to use the string, the shoelace, whatever. But sometimes it makes your head hurt. So just adjust it so it doesn't hurt your head. But I think it's cute. It's giving very much, yeah. Yeah. It's giving very much, yeah. Like, be for real, anyway. Be for real. But anyways, that is the end of the video, guys. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what you want to see me do in the next video. Turn on the post notification bell. So you get notified every time I post a new video. Follow me on Instagram at playgirlnay. That's PLAY.GURLL dot NAE. On TikTok at Chrissy. No, Chrissy, OG dot Chrissy with I think 3 Y's. And at my other TikTok, I have 2 TikToks. I don't know why, but I have a next TikTok, Poochulu. I'll put it in the description. Follow me on, add me on Snapchat at CIN dot BIII. That's 3 I's, and I think that's about it. Yeah, so guys, and also Happy New Year, guys. I wish y'all nothing but the best. So yeah, I love you guys. Also, If you see me hear me I say Happy New Year in every video, do not come for me. It's just that I don't know which video I'm posting first. And I want when the video that I actually post for the new year, I actually say Happy New Year. So do not come for me, okay? Please do not come for me. I said from the last video, and I don't know if I'm gonna post that video, but I said this in that video. I might post this first, but yeah. So Happy New Year. I wish you all the nothing but the best. Thank you guys for supporting me. Keep supporting me. Share my videos, and yeah. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much. I'm your girl, Kissy. I'm so jumpy. I'm your girl, Kissy, and I'm out.